regarding writing a blogger post, you need to follow in few customization steps, which are very simple. At first, you need to get to Blogger. So we are logging into Blogger. So once you open the Blogger site, so it's getting loaded. So I have already pre-logged in. So I am skipping the portion of inputting the passwords. So as far as posts are regarded, so this is the post tab. Here you can see the post which you have posted. So creating new post. Now for the sample post, I am going to write a pre-existing post. As you can see, it is going to be about the stall warning system. So at first I need to put in the topic. So the title is basically stall warning system. Next, the content is pre-written by me. So you can either input the content pre-written or instead you can write the content in real time. So for simplicity, I am inputting the content. So here you can paste whatever you have copied from that. And one other thing is that there might be formatting issues, which can be sorted out by clearing all the formats and starting fresh. So here we have the copied content. Still, the format is unclear. So there may be some spacing issues which can be sorted out by backspacing them once because the sentence might be broken. So here to separate it from the title, you can include space by typing an enter. So here you can see this can simply be done for each line. Okay, it doesn't take much time. It just takes about 1 minute. So it's good to do it as it provides a better look. So once I'm done with this is a pretty simple and basic step. So here we see pretty much trying to follow the same format. So the shape which I am trying to try out over here is, you can see that this is what I'm trying to obtain. Okay, okay. So this is what the content must look like. We have sorted out the spacing issues when we clear the format, and this only happens when you copy a content from PDF. If you're copying from Word or if you're writing the content by yourself, you won't be facing this problem. So here we have the content. Now, one thing is that we need to adjust the font size. I'm selecting Control A. I'm selecting everything and setting the font size to large. The next step would be aligning the content. So the justifying alignment is better from my opinion. And here we have heading. So what is a stall condition? So this needs to be considered as a heading. Similarly, we have headings all around. You can select each of them and translate them into heading. Okay, so this article is having quite few headings, and as I said, it won't be taking much time. These are basic simple steps, so once you start following them, it would be getting more easier. So here we have dropped in the headings. The next step would be inserting in interactive stuff like images. So images, basically the problem with images is that we would be obtaining easily the images, but it would be copyrighted, and there are many issues with the copyrighted stuff. So instead, you can officially embed a YouTube video. It would be more interactive and easy to explain the topic. So here, provide in space. So make sure there is a space, three spaces around, and here in the center, there is an option to insert videos. So you can go into YouTube and search for videos. So I'm searching in the videos before. So now here I'm on YouTube. So as my topic is regarding stall warning, I will be searching stall warning. There are pretty much systems. So here I said there are videos all around, and once you are okay with the video which you like, so here we can see. So this is the video which I like. So basically what you do is copy the heading, title of the video, and here you can select the YouTube. You can search for that particular video. So over here from the thumbnail we can see, so the video which I want to insert is this. So from the thumbnail you can identify that this is the video. So once you select the video, there is an option over here. Okay, we have inserted the video, but one problem with this is that the size is very small, and once the article is published, it will also be looking like this. So this isn't looking good or great. So for adjusting the size, we need to redefine it in the HTML view. So here it's easy. So in HTML view, once so it's pretty much looking like a computer code, and it's what the background looks like. So here we are in the compose view. So now we have to shift into the HTML view, and here you can see the link YouTube starting. So this is the link. This is what the video plays like. So here we need to just adjust the height and width. So I'm changing the height to 470, and the width is changed to 835. So these two values are like constant, which I found out from the trial and error method. So basic change which you are making is the height and the width, nothing much. So again we are shifting into the compose view. So don't worry about the overlapping images over here. It's just for this draft purpose. When you publish the article, it won't be looking like this. So next, you need to drop in a video credit line. So here it isn't necessary. Still, I would suggest that. So here I have the video. Basically, I'm going to credit the channel. So here the channel name is simple. MZO. You copy in the channel and paste over here. So MZO, this is basically hyperlink. That's why I'm copying as it is instead of typing in myself. So you can center align this, and next you need to change the video credit line to normal font size. Okay, this is pretty much how you write the article in basic. And one other thing I would like to add over here is that the jump break. So here the article is okay, but when you do it or publish it as it is, the whole article gets published and the tab will be filled with it. Instead, you can insert a read more button. In order to insert and read more button, you can choose a point after which you can insert the read more button. So I would like to insert the read more button after this. So here I'm selecting the selector over here, and next I am going to the more options tab. So here you have an option insert jump break. So once you insert a jump break, there is going to be a line like this. So this will basically provide a read more button when we publish it. So here it's everything is okay. Now the draft portion is over. Here we get into the major main portion of this, publishing an article. So here we need to select the label or a category of the article which we are writing. So stall warning system is basically related to the aeronautics tab. So I am selecting the aeronautics. There are other tabs such as space. If you are writing an article related to space, you can select space label, because in our blog the articles are going to be listed based on the labels. So this is very important. And next is the prima link. It's okay if your title is small, but if your title is getting very huge, you can type in a custom prema link. Prema link is nothing but the URL of your article. So here, stall warning system. Instead of stall warning system, I can write it as stall, just stall. So here we can see that the link is getting updated as just stall. Instead, by default, it takes in the title, so it's okay. We are okay with it. Next major thing is the search description. It is also important. So here, in order in search description, you can write a one-line explanation of stall indicator. So what is a stall indicator within one line? Mm, Here there are pretty much typographical errors. So here I can see this is an example of one-line explanation of what this article is about. So here you are only given an option of 150 characters. So here we have copy pasted it. So on the one-line thing. Okay. The next options. This is the comments tab. You can just keep it by default allow. This will allow the comments to be published. Okay. Now let's publish this article. These are the main steps which needs to be followed. So you can also preview the article, and about 80% of the features get shown in the preview tab. So here you can making changes if you would like any. So this is the article, this is how it's going to be looking in the blog. Okay, if you're satisfied it, and you can choose thing by which you are viewing, like how it will look in desktop, tablet, and similar things. So here, once you are okay with the preview, once you're used to, you will won't be using preview much. So you can publish in the article. So here it's asking for a confirmation pop-up. So once you confirm it, the article gets published. So the post is published. Here you can see that. You can either directly view the post from here. So here once I click the view, the post is going to be viewed. And another thing is that let's see how it is going to be looking in the blog by general. So here we are opening the blog, the whole blog as it is. The home tab gets opened. So here we did post an article in the aeronautics tab. So here I'm selecting in the aeronautics tab. So these are the different portion of this block, and once I select the aeronautics tab, the recent post. So here this is the purpose of label. So these are the labels, and all the articles under aeronautics label it's posted in this. So this is the article which we have written, the stall warning system, and this is the purpose of inserting a jump break. So we get a read more button, so that the whole article isn't posted. So here once we click the read more button, we see the article. Okay, this is how you write and post an article. This is as simple as it sounds, and it is not much complicated. One other thing I would like to suggest is that once you post an article, it's great if you share it with related people. So here, basically, I'm in the aeronautics tab, and my article is posted. You can copy the link address, and here the whole article is opened, which we opened by using the view button. Okay, next you open Facebook, or so here you can open. I'm opening the Facebook, and I'm logged into the Age of Aerospace group. So here, once the group gets loaded, and it's taking some time. Let's bear with it. Mm, okay, here it is. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm copying the link address of the article which I have written. So this is the hyperlinked one, and here in the Age of Aerospace blog, I have logged into it. So I have bookmarked it. So I have directly entered into it. So you basically paste Control V, and one plus point of embedding a YouTube video is that the YouTube videos template or the pic which is over here, the thumbnail gets updated in the link, so it is graphically better than just posting in blank article. So here for a little bit of introduction, so you can copy paste the first few lines. It acts as a trailer for your article. So basically, Control V, nothing much, and you can add in topic for further ease of reference. So this is pretty much simple. So you can post it. So here we can see the article's link has been shared, and this is the title, and this is where the search description be updated about over here. The search description. So this is where we updated the search description. So this is how or where it is getting applicable. So here, this is how we write an article and share it in with a related group. Thank you.